2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison, Off-Road Monster reviewed. 2025 Colorado ZR2 Bison. Chevy Colorado Off-Road. Chevrolet ZR2 Bison review. AEV Colorado Bison. Best midsize off-road truck. Multimatic DSSV shocks. Colorado ZR2 vs Tacoma TRD Pro. Chevy Colorado Bison towing capacity. Chevrolet has taken its midsize truck game to a whole new level with the 2025 Colorado ZR2 Bison, a purpose-built off-road beast that pushes the boundaries of factory trail capability. Developed in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, AEV, the Bison trim transforms the already capable ZR2 into a formidable force for overlanders and serious off-roaders alike. If you've been waiting for a truck that combines rugged durability with modern tech, this could be your perfect adventure partner. Built for the wild. At the heart of the ZR2 Bison's transformation is a comprehensive list of off-road upgrades. AEV-supplied components include boron steel skid plates protecting vital underbody parts like the oil pan, fuel tank, transfer case, and rear differential. The Bison also boasts front and rear steel bumpers, the front one winch-capable and fitted with recovery points, essential gear for tackling remote terrain. The truck rides on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, a significant step up in ground clearance and grip compared to the standard ZR2. With a 12.2-inch ground clearance and enhanced approach, departure, and breakover angles, the Bison is built to handle everything from rock gardens to desert dunes. Turbocharged power and multimatic magic. Under the hood, the 2025 Colorado ZR2 Bison is powered by GM's 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out a strong 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine delivers strong low-end grunt and consistent power delivery across off-road conditions. The real magic, however, lies in the Multimatic DSSV dampers, which remain a standout feature on the ZR2 lineup. These race-proven spool valve shocks are tuned specifically for the Bison, offering excellent control, plush off-road performance, and surprisingly composed on-road manners. Distinctive styling. The Bison wears its off-road intent proudly. Aggressive fender flares, blacked-out exterior accents, and AEV badging on the tailgate and bumpers distinguish it visually from the standard ZR2. The AEV logo also appears on the interior headrests and all-weather floor mats, reminding drivers that this is no ordinary midsize pickup. Inside, the cabin combines rugged design with modern tech. A 11.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a fully digital 11-inch gauge cluster provide high-tech functionality, while durable materials ensure the cabin holds up against outdoor abuse. Practical capability. The ZR2 Bison's off-road prowess doesn't come at the expense of utility. It offers over 1,200 pounds of payload and up to 6,000 pounds of towing capacity, making it ideal for hauling gear, trailers, or toys on long adventures. Built-in trail cameras, an off-road drive mode system, and selectable locking differentials give drivers full control in any situation. Final thoughts. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison is not just a midsize truck, it's an off-road weapon straight from the factory. With serious upgrades from AEV, outstanding damping technology, and aggressive styling, it's arguably the most capable Colorado ever built and one of the best off-roaders in its class.